keep climbing to the mountaintop. Your world is my world, and my
Wow, may pansit ba to ako? Dami. Galing pa tong Bicol. Pinadala to ng hipag ko. Dati Gigi. Tutuin daw naming merienda. Gusto nyo? Isang kaldero to. Tutuin namin bukas.
Mamayang gabi, ulam daw.
Ay, pwede pala tong ulam daw eh. O ulam na lang. Hindi, bukas, merienda. Tamang-tam. Ay, hindi. Magbe-birthday na si Lance eh. Sa 5. Uy, sa 5 ko na lang pala ito lulutuin. Tamang-tama, birthday ng anak ko. Salamat, Ate G. May pampapansit na ako sa anak ko. Pansit ba to? Hello po. Alis po tayo ngayon. Bili tayo ng mga kailangan. Hello guys. Pupunta kami ngayong bayan. Kasama po ulit ang anak ko. Siya ang photographer ko eh.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you are real right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer. Now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a wave the twilight, my only, my bestie. Into my life, let me if you want tonight. Little more shining star to the sky, looking high. All the people, you're the one and only you know. Want to be with you, call my name, love. Ooh, somebody else, and that is you. Ooh, falling with you. Not the only one doing me. You already feel it there. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something? You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer now, waiting for you, but tomorrow is slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a wave the twilight, my only, my bestie. Into my life, let me if you want tonight. 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 Ooh, I think it's slowing down now. Oh, more give me a hug, but want to talk. A dream like a moment, fantasy. Baby, I think about you now. Yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with your twilight, my
Nandito na po kami ngayon. Nakauwi na. Ayan. Ayan ang pinamili ko. Akala ko nandito na yung in-order ko yung mga alak. Soft drinks pa lang nandito. Dito yung iba dahil hindi na siya kasi sa loob. Hindi na kasi sa loob yung ibang alak, soft drinks. Kaya dito ko na po siya nilagay sa labas. Ayan. Magmamahal daw po kasi ang alak. Kaya kailangan na mag-stock. Hindi ka naman bibili dyan.
Diyan ka lang sa pintuan.
Kanina pa dumating ang soft drinks sa kalat.
Ayun lang.
Lang. Ba't ito, dito na nilagay, hindi hindi mo nilagay sa loob.
Mapahingi na lang ako, babol.
Mag-stock na tayo ng alak at soft drinks. Ayan. Kasi magtataas na daw siya. Ayan, hanggang dito. Puno yan ng alak. Ayan, hanggang sa ilalim meron pa yan. Hanggang dito sa kabila, meron din yan. Ayan. I-stock. Ano yun?
Hey, what happened here?
Tama ba itong pinag-
Nungguin yan.